here. I'm playing with my boy Ray. Well, we actually already did Fun More too, but we just decided we have to do it later. But
because he followed the map. He followed the map.
Yeah.
He followed the map. Are you serious?
Get on here.
Quick.
Get up here.
Get on.
I can't. Come here.
No. Press back.
The monster? What's a monster? That one of us follows the monster I think will spawn. Whoa. You want to look for it?
Yeah.
Let's go find it. Oh, it's up there. He's up there. I'm running. I'm making a run for my life.
Get on!
Oh my gosh. I swear I just saw him behind me. Oh my gosh, it's scary.
Remember this?
Don't ask guys what that dance was. We call it the ugly buggly.
You didn't
okay, I don't see.
You didn't go on that tree.
Imagine the monster just spawns over there. Yeah, imagine that.
What?
Let's just look over here.
Quick.
Yeah, that thing spawns.
That thing looks like Kitty.
Yeah, it does. Well, I saw a glimpse of it. So, I saw it was over there.
What level is your favorite backrooms level? What's your favorite backrooms level?
Pool rooms.
Backrooms level.
It's the same thing. Pool.
That's not backrooms level. That's not backrooms. My favorite level of the backrooms is 188. 188 is my favorite.
Yell, but
Should we press the back button?
Say that monster. No.
But we should press the back
we
button.
need to play so my audience can see.
The monster's
Come on.
The monster's right there. Let you look.
I saw something over there.
The monster's behind you.
Well, shut.
Psych.
The monster just spawned over there ASAP, bro. I think just spawned. Bro, should we go find him? We don't know where he is.
I'm not trying that.
But I know the first thing I do is if I touch this, that means he's going to spawn. You ready? Okay. That didn't work. Bro, go down here with me. Come down here with me. Let's see if we can spawn him. Ready? Hey, we did it. Spawn him. He should be coming now.
Will we press the back button?
Nah, I have to do it for my audience.
I'm pressing it. What is it?
Oh. Yeah, let's
Get
go.
on my face, bro.
Wait, force up. We need to make sure if it's safe.
Ow! You poked me with that thing. Oh my gosh, what's going on with
But I just saw the jumbo one. It was just right there, it just spawned. Well, you just want to see where the monster is, so
No.
The monster's over there. Then we hear some dun music. Well, let's go chill. Let's chill.
No, you go down first. You go down there, and you run. What's you see there?
I don't see. I swatch. But it's not there.
Go over there. Go over there.
Well,
Go over there.
Okay. I'm not afraid of anything. That's awkward.
Come over here. Come over here, ugly. Ugly
my
dummy.
gosh.
That's why you're scared
Ugly,
of us.
ugly monster.
That's why you're scared of us, because
Ugly,
he has
ugly monster.
he has that
What?
party. He has that cone that's very sharp, and we could poke your stomach really hardly.
You
Is
could
that why you're
explode.
scared?
Well, come on.
Look what
Come
I
here,
can
come
do.
here.
Look what I can do to this dude.
Ready?
You're so
Ugly,
I'm gonna
bugly monster.
Look what I can do to this dude. But this is gonna hurt. I'm gonna show you. This is
Ugly,
gonna hurt.
bugly
Look,
monster. Ugly, bugly
look,
monster.
come on. Sister, come. Come up.
No,
Sister, it's
what?
gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Okay?
What?
Come.
Ah! What the? Wow,
See,
you ready?
it's all coming out. Here we got a Band-Aid.
Well, what do we do?
Get on my
Well,
face.
come here, come here.
You go down. You go
Okay.
down, and if you see it, you run. If you see it, you run.
It's not here.
Down there.
Down there?
Run
Come
next
on,
to-
you're going with me.
Run next to the tree that was right there where you know that tree where you were standing on? You saw the
Yeah.
monster, right?
You know what? I'm making a jump for it, baby. So I'll tell you if he's coming. What the? No. Wow, I just was blinging. Wow. You dare me to go on that table
run
and
fast?
ask?
You want to know? Run fast. Look,
What?
I'm gonna show you. You do. Look. You do. Look at my hands. Look at my hands.
You do
Look at my
what?
hands. You see them?
Ugly,
You see
bugly.
them? They're like this, right?
Yeah.
And then you do them quick.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's try.
We're gonna jump on that tree. That tree. Ready?
Huh. Okay, we don't see monster from here. But let's do. Come on. Monster's not coming. I'm gonna yell if
I'm
it's.
staying here. I'm staying here. Okay? How about we both go down there? Come on, man.
Yeah, come on.
Let's both.
What worse could happen?
We could die. That's worse.
Ready?
But it's actually not because.
What?
Why you look like that? Look.
What?
Draw a line.
What?
Draw a line.
But I
Yeah,
can
draw a
hear like
line.
the FNAF music, like doing it when I'm going like this every time. Like the cameras. Wouldn't
that
you not
button?
believe me?
Listen, you see that button?
Yeah.
We gotta run and press that. You ready?
You ready?
3, 2, 1, go! Press it! Hurry! Press it!
Your game just lagged. Let's see. Where the monster is. Because it's that ugly
Let's go
boogly
over there.
monster.
Let's go over there. Come,
Well, you ready?
come.
No, don't fall down. Come down. Not come down, but come here.
Oh, stop!
What?
I almost fall down.
Watch,
I
watch,
walked
watch.
down, though. I almost fall down.
I know, but you also almost fall down. But also,
At least I could walk. Climb.
I wish I had mods so I could just go around and move.
Hold on. Remember?
Plop.
Dad? Mom? Dad? Where
I'm
am I?
leaving.
Yeah, we are. Bro, he's just overreacting, bro. Like,
Bro,
I don't
no, I'm not.
see
No,
the
I'm not.
monster. I don't
Okay,
see
then
no,
you go
I
all
don't
the
see
way
no
over there.
monster. Bro, I didn't see the monster. Even though I didn't see you, I kept running because wolf it can spawn.
Oh, it did earlier. I heard a tune.
Boom, 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 boom.
Do you think possibly it could come here? Can they even spawn? Get here. Come up here. Can they even spawn? Show me out, ugly boogly. Ugly boogly monster.
Boogly, boogly. Boogly, boogly. Come on. Come on, boogly, boogly.
Well,
I don't see him.
You know what? Now I remembered. It's because he was over there. He's on the bridge.
I don't see him.
I'll tell you when I see him because he's not here anymore. Okay, guys, so there could be a 90% chance we can see him. Well, jump down here.
How about you jump down first, and then I'll jump down.
Well, wait. If we all jump down, I will do anything for you.
How about we both? And I'll do something for you, and then you have to buy me mods.
Okay. Linda!
You gotta buy me mods from us relationships.
What the? I can't just gift card to send it to you, bro. That's not how it works.
Let's go.
Also, look. He should be coming because we need to run as fast as possible and get up here. He cannot get us up here, by the way.
I'm going on top.
What the fuck?
Almost up there. Come on. We have to. I have to. We're almost up. Come on, man.
I got the...
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, let's see if the monster... I'll tell you when the monster's coming. He's gone. He's gone. That means we can make a run for it.
Okay.
Where are you?
I'm gonna poke you. I'm gonna stab you with the sharp. Get over here. I'm gonna stab you in the butt.
Oh my gosh.
Hold up. How I'm gonna use my cone?
Well, you know what?
Oh my God. Gotcha.
Well, look at this. Watch this. Click it. Click it.
Yo.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, wait. Come here. He's stuck.
Run away from me, man.
Could you just get unstuck right now? That's what I'm thinking.
That's actually creepy.
Wait a minute. Is he getting closer?
It don't seem like it's moving.
Wait a minute.
Should we go? Let's go closer.
Well, if he's moving, I'm jumping all the way down here if he moves.
Yeah, do it.
Sure. Bo, stay still. What is that? What the? What is Yuma? What the?
I don't see nothing.
He's moving. Get up here. That's me, man.
What are you talking about? It's fine.
Well, dude, what the?
Oh, stop.
Well, get up here. Get up here. Get in here. What the?
I heard the sound. It got closer.
It was right by us.
Yo.
Okay. We
definitely made it worse.
Ooh. Now that's my new fear unlocked. It's spawning. Well, you want to go back?
We were right there.
Where?
I think. No.
Do you see
Hold up, I'm
monsters?
gonna go on top of the roof. I'm gonna go on top of the roof.
Oh, that's what we want!
Get...
Bro, did Bo just really die?
I'm on top of the roof. Scared by the look.
Can I say something, bro? I have never been scared in my life from that. You know why? That thing came up at us. Well, you would just
what about
go.
when you was a baby? Was you scared when you was a baby?
But I was not even playing this game. This game did not exist.
But did you cry? Did you cry when you was a baby? Even though you didn't play?
No. But just jump down. Oh wait, don't.
What were you
Before you
saying?
do, let's go to a different version. Come here. Not a different version. I did not mean different version. First, we got to get mostly good clips. Where was we at last? Jump down. Found it. We can explain. Get on it. Well, come here. Let's have some dinner. You sit there.
No, we gotta go on top of the tree.
Yum.
Go.
Well, I thought the monsters. What? I was about to say if the monster was there, I was about to freak out. But too bad, bro. We're leaving. We're getting out of this map. Know how? We need to get jumps.
I want to leave. I want to go home.
Okay.
I want to go home.
Actually, no. Come here. Jump down. I said jump down. Dude. I said jump down, dude. I'll tell you if the monster's coming. Okay. Bro. Oh my gosh, that was a shell scooting up in my basement. I thought it was a little monster guy for a second. What is it? It is. Bro,
Do you know Carnegie Hall? Do
you know
Carnegie
what?
Hall?
Look at this.
What?
I'm a bye. No, I'm a play.
Wow.
No, I'm a fart.
You stay there. I stay here.